Okay friends, so welcome back to IT industry tutorials. So my today's topic is prioritizing in TestNG. So basically what is prioritizing in TestNG? So as the name suggests, we are providing priority to our test cases in TestNG. Why? Because there are different scenarios like which we have to perform, and there are different steps in those scenarios which we have to achieve to perform a particular test case. Okay, so let me take an example of login website of Gmail. Okay, let's just take an example of Gmail. So if we want to log in to Gmail, then first of all what we have to do, we have to redirect to gmail.com. Okay, only after that on a login page we can provide our credentials like username and password over there. Okay, so what will happen, so let me just open this. Okay, so now what is our test case here is, our test case is to log into Gmail. So we can't directly enter a Gmail credentials here. For that, first of all, we have to enter gmail.com. Okay, we have to redirect to this page, and after that we have to enter here email. So suppose this is a test email. Okay, after that, so the first test case here over is to reach to this gmail.com page. Okay, and the second test case here is to enter the email. Okay, and the third test case is to click on next button and enter the password. Okay, and after that we have to click on next. Okay, so there are different steps that we are performing. Okay, like we are redirecting to Gmail, then entering a username, and then entering a password. So this is the flow. Okay, so now we want to achieve this flow. Okay, what we want, our test case, where it is, wherever it is written. Okay, no matter wherever it is written in our test case, first of all what it will do, by default it will go to gmail.com. After that it will enter an email or click on sign in button, whatever the scenarios we are performing. Basis upon that scenarios it will work accordingly. Okay, that is why we provide prioritizing. We are using prioritizing in TestNG to achieve this basically. So हम prioritizing में क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे हम gmail.com पे जाते हैं. Okay, we will provide that as a priority one over test case जो हमें gmail.com तक redirect करता है. After that we will provide priority 2 to the test case जिसके through हम email enter करते हैं like this one. Okay, this will be having the priority 2. After that हम next button पे click करते हैं, ये भी एक next test case हो सकता है. Okay, third test case over. Our third test case is to click on this next button. After that our fourth test case is to enter the password here and click on again next button. Okay, so basically हम इन सब स्टेप्स को प्रायोरिटाइज करते हैं ताकि ये एक प्रॉपर फ्लो में चले और हम जो हमारा इन द एंड सिनेरियो है, इन द एंड फाइनल सिनेरियो है, वो अचीव कर सकें. ओके, so again this is a practical use and how we can achieve this. Here in @test annotation we can provide the priority. Okay, priority, so we can provide the priority as 1. Okay, spelling mistakes here. Just copy it. ओके, सो अब हमने क्या किया, ये हमारे पास एक टेस्ट केस था, मैंने उसको प्रायोरिटी 1 दे दी, और ये टेस्ट केस है, इसको मैंने प्रायोरिटी दे दी 2. ठीक है, अब क्या होगा, जब भी मैं इस पेज के टेस्ट केस को रन करूंगा तो ये सबसे पहले चेक करेगा प्रायोरिटी अगर है यहाँ पे तो किसकी 1 है, तो इसकी प्रायोरिटी 1 है. तो सबसे पहले ये वाला मेथड एग्जीक्यूट करेगा, ओके। आफ्टर दैट ये चेक करेगा कि किसकी प्रायोरिटी 2 है, इसकी। आफ्टर दैट ये वाला मेथड रन करेगा, ओके। लेट मी शो यू गाइस हियर, run as TestNG, okay, great. Let me see the console here, okay. So here you can see it first printing the method and saying that my second test case using TestNG, and after that it is running the method with a priority to my third test case using TestNG. Now let's just interchange, हम इसे interchange करते हैं और चेक करते हैं। Now अब क्या होना चाहिए इस सिनेरियो में, it will have to execute this method first and after that it will execute this method. Why? Because here we have updated the priority. Okay, so we are making the priority 1 for this method C and we are making the priority as a 2 for method B. Okay, so now the first output that we expecting here is my third test case using TestNG. This will be my first output and this will be my second output, my second test case using TestNG. Okay, so let's just see, we got the results. Okay, perfectly fine. Here you can see my third test case using TestNG. It executed this method first. Why? Because here we have the priority 1 and it executed this method on a second term because it is having a priority 2. Now there are a lot of questions based on priority only for the interview purposes. Okay, so I will cover that in the next videos, but in this video you have to first know the basic functionality of priority, that why we are using it and how we are using it. Okay, just practice this, and in the next video I'm going to make next video tomorrow, and in that video I'm going to make sure that I will cover each and every interview question related to this priority topic, because again ये priority topic बहुत ज़्यादा important topic है और interview में automation framework के interview में इसके regarding questions ना हो ये feasible ही नहीं है। अगर आप इंटरव्यू को बता रहे हो दैट टेस्ट एनजी इज योर स्ट्रेंथ, इन दैट केस प्रोबेबिलिटी के रिलेटेड वो क्वेश्चन पूछेगा ही पूछेगा, डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन। सो आई विल कवर ऑल दोज क्वेश्चंस इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो, इन माय अपकमिंग वीडियो, but till then you have to practice about a priority here a bit, okay. So again, if you haven't liked the video then please like it, then subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, click the bell icon so you will be able to keep yourself updated with all the latest videos and share as much as you can. Okay, so signing off for today, thank you everyone, bye bye.